In this video, we're going over some money-saving DIY repairs that you can do yourself on this 2007 to 2014 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Mirrors sometimes get expensive if you have someone else replace it, and they're not that difficult to do. Especially for this mirror, it's a manual mirror, there's no wires or anything in the door panel. You just have to take off this cover, and then you can access the nuts. Take those nuts off, support the mirror, pull the mirror off, put the new mirror on, put the nuts back on, snug them up, put the cover back on, and you're good to go. The headlights, they may seem intimidating, but they're not that difficult to do. Take this cover off, just take a couple push pins out, remove this cover right here. There's a couple bolts on the back, pull it out a little bit, and then there's a couple screws on top, a screw down below there, use a 10mm socket, and then the headlight just pulls right out. To install it, you just put it back the same way it came in, put those bolts back in, put that cover back on, put this cover back on, make your adjustments, and you're all set. Let's talk about brakes. They're not that hard and they can save you a lot of money. You want to take the caliper off. There's two caliper bolts there. Take those off, slide the caliper off, use a caliper hanger. You can take the brake pads off. Then you want to get this bracket off. There's two more bolts. Take those bolts out, slide the bracket out of the way, clean up the bracket. There's a couple pad slides. Use a wire brush and then pull the rotor off, put the new rotor on, put the bracket on, put the pads on, put the caliper on, tighten everything up, and you'll be all set. If your vehicle seems to be bouncing more than normal, chances are you need some shocks. After you get the wheel off, you want to support the lower control arm to take some of the tension off the shock itself. Then you can take this bolt out down here, nut and bolt, and then there should be a nut on top of the shock. You take that one out, then you can slide the shock out, slide the new one in position, tighten that up, put the bolt back in, and tighten that up. Then you can remove that support from underneath the low control arm, put the wheel on, and you're all set. Now if you're doing the rear brakes, it's going to be similar to the front and same with the rear shocks. Rear shocks, you just have to support the rear axle while you're doing that. So there's some of the top DIY repairs on this GMC Sierra 3500 HD. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.